Good day, everyone. At this point, I will discuss to you how to install Inno ERP in your PC or laptop. The first thing you need to do is to download the file, the Inno ERP file. All you need to do is to um, download the zip. If you click the zip and wait for it to be download, and then next, ERP needs to have a server or an HTTP or MySQL because it supported localhost in it. So you can use WAMP server or the SAMP. You have the option to use for Apache or MySQL or any PHP databases. So at this point, I download WAMP server. Just click the download, and next, after once you downloaded your um, zip, the InnoRP file, so all you need to do is you have to extract it. So what happened is once you extracted it, extract here. So once you extracted, it will appear as like this once you click. So next thing you need to do is to copy InnoERP to your WAMP64. Where did you install your WAMP64? In local DC, and click WAMP64, and then go to the triple W and paste your ERP here. So the next thing you need to do is to go to the localhost phpMyAdmin on your browser, and then log in there, username, root, and leave the password as blank, and then server choice as the MySQL, then click go. Next is localhost will appear, the phpMyAdmin, and then you need to create a new database, and I call it as ERP, and then click create. Then the next thing you need to do is go to open another tab and go to localhost, and then slash the ERP. So the ERP folder is the ones you created on the previous discussion and the previous explanation. What I did is you extract the file and then paste it to the triple W. So the next thing you need to do is click the triple W, and it will redirect you to this site. So once the site appear, all you need to do is to create the continue. This is the ERP installation. So after you click that, you need to fill this, and then here is the database type is MySQL or the MariaDB, and then the database host is localhost, and then the port is 3306. In the port, if you are using SAMP or other MySQL application, so and then you are using an ERP, so the database port should be different, it should not be the same. And then next is the database name should be ERP, since the database I created recently is ERP, and the username should be root and there will be no password. Then next is save and proceed. So after that, you'll see this kind, and then the DB instance type, select the DB instance type, which is demo instance. So wait for the installation to complete, and once it was completed, scroll down and go to homepage. And there it will redirect you to the ERP. So the next thing is you have to log in or register in the ERP. So your username as ERP and the password as ERP. Then click login. So once you log in, this type will appear on your tab. So it is okay, there's no need for you to worry, since I am using Chrome here, and Chrome is really strict in creating password and the username. So all you need to do is to add a new tab or delete the extensions and so on, and then go to localhost inoirp/ww, and then you can log out and log in again, and finally it will bring you to the ERP dashboard. That's it. I hope you learned something from it, and thank you.